BrokerBin. I am so excited to be recording this video because that means we are just weeks out from Croatia and I cannot wait to get back, especially because I think we're going to get hit with a bunch of snow this weekend here in Rochester, Minnesota. So I am really anxious for sunny Croatia. All right, a couple of things I just wanted everyone to be aware of before we went or before we go. Your meetings, get those meetings scheduled, you guys. If you've not been logged into the meeting scheduler to update your profile and get those meeting schedulers scheduled, please do that now. It will make all the difference for you to have a successful roadshow if you get those meetings scheduled ahead of time, which will then allow you to prepare for those meetings, of course. So please do that ahead of time. Okay, day one. So this show is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the 22nd, the 23rd, the 24th, right? So the first day is Wednesday, April 22nd. That is day of registration. We are adding a walking tour this year. We're in the process of planning that. If you are interested in a walking tour of Split on the first day, the day of registration, you can shoot me an email or just stay tuned for information. That should be coming out very shortly. Registration will then happen, and then our welcome reception, followed by an after party, which was a lot of fun last year. I heard. I didn't go to the after party, but I heard it was a lot of fun, so you guys are not going to want to miss that. Okay, and then on day 2, which is really our first day of meetings, that is the 23rd, April 23rd. Before we start the meetings this year, we have added a panel discussion that you guys are you're not going to want to miss. It is a star-studded panel. We have John from IQ Reseller, Shirley from Cloud Storage. We have Dave Manning from Iron Mountain, and Lyle Gore from Ethos Dynamics. And I also have a couple of other pending speakers maybe to join the panel as well. So please put that on your agenda. Be prepared to be there. You are not going to want to miss it. So that is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Thursday the 23rd before we kick off the meetings. And so then we have meetings all day Thursday, meetings all day Friday, of course lunch, reception again on Thursday, and then another after party, and that is at a place in Split. Friday we wrap up, and then hopefully all of you are going to spend some additional time in Split in Croatia. Okay. A big thank you to all of our sponsors for these events, you guys. We could not put these events on. We could not host this networking without our sponsors. So we are very grateful. Thank you so much. Also, you know that I have to put a plug in for Orlando. So if you are not yet registered for Orlando, get that taken care of as well. So 2 takeaways: schedule your meetings, register for Orlando, right? And also pack some sunscreen. We're hoping for sunny days in Croatia. See you soon.